जैसा मैंने 10 एप्पल लिया, 10 एप्पल 5 स्टूडेंट के अंदर हमें डिवाइड करना है। तो 5 2 जा 10, सबको कितने कितने मिले 2 करके। तो इसमें टेबल की भी जरूरत है और टेबल जितना टेबल लर्न करोगे उतना ही अच्छा है। ओके, तो आप लोग ये देखो, पहले एक्सप्लेन सुनो फिर मैं निकालूंगी। डिवाइड किस तरह, किसको डिवाइड करना है। मेरे पास 100 रुपीज है, 100 रुपीज टू कोई भी पीपल को देना है तो कितना आएगा 52 जा 250 जा 100। तो दोनों को 50-50 रुपीज डिवाइड कर दूँ तो ही होता है, इसी इसको बोलते हैं डिवाइड। मुंह में आधा आधा नहीं करना, टेबल का एग्जाम्पल लेना है। ये डिजिटल में पहले आप लोग देख लो फिर बाद में मैं कराऊंगी। ओके,
Students in the school, look at the chapati chart and tell the number of members in each club. Solution. Here, the number of children in the games club is half the total number of children in the school. Therefore, if there are 200 students in the school, then half of it is 200 upon 2, that is equal to 100. So, the number of children in the games club is 100. 1/4 of the children are members of the garden club. So, multiplying 200 by 1 upon 4, we get 50. Hence, the garden club has 50 members. Similarly, to find the number of children in the drawing club, multiply the total number of students, which is 200 by 1 upon 4. We get 50. Hence, there are 50 members in the drawing club. Getting wet in the rain. Who likes to get wet in the rain? A child made this chapati chart after asking his friends. The children who like to get wet in the rain and those who do not like to get wet in the rain are shown in this chart here. See the chapati chart and tell how many children like to get wet in the rain. A. Half. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. Solution. C. 3/4. Next question. How many children do not like to get wet in the rain? A. Half. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. Solution. B. 1/4. 3. If the number of children in the class is 28, then tell the number of children 1. Who like to get wet in the rain. 2. Who do not like to get wet in the rain. Solution. Here, the total number of children is 28. 3/4 of the children like to get wet in the rain. To find 3/4 of 28, multiply 28 by 3 upon 4. The answer obtained is 21. So, 21 children like to get wet in the rain. Now, the number of children who do not like to get wet in the rain is 1/4 of the total number. So, we need to find 1/4 of 28. So, 28 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 7. Thus, 7 children do not like to get wet in the rain. or milk? Some children were asked which of these they liked the most, tea, coffee or milk. There are two columns in the table shown here. The first column is the drink they like, that is tea, coffee or milk. And the second column shows the number of children. From the table, we can say that the children who like milk is 20. The number of children who like coffee is 10. And the number of children who like tea is 10. To find the total number of children, add the number of children who like milk, coffee and tea. That is 20 plus 10 plus 10. That is equal to 40. So, the total number of children is 40. Find out from the table. Children who like milk are half or 1/4 of the total children. Solution. Half. Since the total number of children is 40, and if we multiply 40 by 1/2, we get 20, which indicates the number of children who like milk. Second question. The children who like coffee are half or 1/4 of the total children. Solution. 1/4. Since the total number of children is 40, and if 40 is multiplied by 1/4, we get 10, which indicates the number of children who like coffee. Chapter 11. Tables and Shares. Introduction. Shyama's garden. Shyama has planted sunflower, rose and marigold plants in her garden. She has planted them in 3 flower beds. Her garden looks like this. Shyama says, "Look how I planted 18 plants in each flower bed. The arrangement in each flower bed is different. See how the roses are planted. 18 is equal to 6 into 3. So there are total 6 rows with 3 plants in each row. In what other ways can the sunflower and marigold be planted? 2 blank spaces are given here. The number of sunflower plants is 18 and they are arranged in one line only. So from this we can write 18 as 1 into 18. That means there are 18 plants in one line. The number of sunflower plants is 18. But here they are arranged in 2 rows, which means on multiplying 2 by 9, the product obtained is 18. Therefore, 18 is equal to 2 into 9. So there are 2 rows with 9 plants in each row. Draw a garden showing flower beds with 48 plants. Arrange the plants in such a way that each row has the same number of plants. Come on, let's see how to arrange these plants. First, we will check in which tables does 48 appear. 48 is equal to 8 into 6, 12 into 4, 16 into 3, 24 into 2, 48 into 1. Now we will arrange the plants as per the table. 48 can be arranged as 6 rows with 8 plants in each row. 48 is equal to 4 rows with 12 plants in each row. 48 can also be arranged as 3 rows with 16 plants in each row. 48 is equal to 2 rows with 24 plants in each row. And 48 plants can be arranged in a single row with 48 plants in it. Jars in the shelf. Bhima made a shelf for 30 jars. This is a long shelf with 2 rows. The number of jars in each row is the same. Can you think of other ways to make a shelf to keep 30 jars? Yes. Here, one such shelf is drawn. We will show how many jars can be kept in each row. How many rows are there? In the shelf shown here, there are 3 rows. 10 jars can be kept in each row. Self-study. Have your friends drawn the shelf in different ways? Bunty says, I do not know the multiplication table of 7. Guddu says, I know the tables till 5, but there is an easy trick. I can make the table of 7 using the tables of 2 and 5. Table of 2 is 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. And the table of 5 is 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Now see the table of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Guddu says, see how I added the 2 numbers in the yellow boxes to get the table of 7. Bunty says, it is so easy. I can also make the table of 7 with the tables of 4 and 3. Help Bunty to make the table of 7 using the tables of 4 and 3. The table of 4 is 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 fours are 36. 10 fours are 40. The table of 3 is 1 threes are 3. 2 threes are 6. 3 threes are 9. 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are 15. 6 threes are 18. 7 threes are 21. 8 threes are 24. 9 threes are 27. 10 threes are 30. Now we will add the numbers in the yellow boxes and the numbers on the left side will write as it is. We get the table of 7. See, 1 sevens are 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Self-study. Which two tables will you use for writing the table of 12? How many cats? Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count them, she could see only their legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? One cat has 4 legs. Gayatri says 8 legs means 2 cats. 12 legs means 3 cats. A table is given here. In the first row, the number of legs 4, 8, 12 and 4 empty boxes are given. In the second row, the number of cats, that is, how many cats, is given. 1 and 2 are given in the first 2 boxes. The remaining 5 boxes are empty. In the first box of the first row, 4 is given. Adding 4 to 8, we get the number 8 in the next box. Thus, if we go on adding 4 each time, we get 12, 16, 20, 24 and 28. In the first row, we added 4 each time. Now, one cat has 4 legs. Therefore, to get the number of cats, we go on adding 1 each time. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Hence, 28 legs means 7 cats. Meena has kept her chickens in a box. She counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? A chicken has 2 legs. So we will go on adding 2 each time to complete the first row. And in the second row, we will go on adding 1 each time to get the number of chickens. From this table, we get the number of chickens, which is 14. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks did she not go to school? There are 7 days in a week. So we start with 7. 7 added to 7 gives 14. And 7 added to 14 gives 21. That is, Leela did not go to school for 3 weeks. Jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals in Mathematics book of class 3? A frog jumps 3 steps at a time, starting from 0. How many jumps will he have to take to reach 27? Let's find out. He has taken 27 divided by 3, that is equal to 9 jumps. If he has reached 36, he has taken 36 divided by 3, that is equal to 12 jumps. If he has reached 42, then he has taken 42 divided by 3, which is equal to 14 jumps. Starting from 0, a rabbit jumps 5 steps at a time. In how many jumps will he reach 25? 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, he reaches 25 in 5 jumps. In 8 jumps, he reaches 40. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Therefore, after 8 jumps, he will reach 40. To reach 55, he will have to take 55 divided by 5, that is equal to 11 jumps. Practice. 1. 28 divided by 2 is equal to dash. 28 divided by 2 will give 14. 2. 56 divided by 7 is equal to how much? 56 divided by 7 gives 8. 3. 48 divided by 4 is equal to how much? Dividing 48 by 4, we get 12. 4. 66 divided by 6 is equal to how much? 66 when divided by 6 will give the answer 11. 5. 96 divided by 8 is equal to how much? 96 divided by 8 gives 12. 6. 110 divided by 10 is equal to dash. 110 when divided by 10 gives 11. Seashells. Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklaces for his 3 friends. He looked for seashells the whole day. He collected 112 shells by the evening. Now he has many colorful and shiny shells. Dhruv says, I will make a necklace of 28 shells. Will these shells be enough to make necklaces for all my friends? He took 28 shells for one necklace. By subtracting 28 shells from 112, he was left with 84 shells with him. Now he has 84 shells. Again, he took 28 shells to make the second necklace. How many shells are left now? 84 minus 28 is equal to 56. So he has 56 shells. Then again he took 28 shells to make the third necklace. Subtracting 28 from 56, we get 28. So now he is left with 28 shells. How many necklaces can Dhruv make from 112 shells? Dhruv can make 112 divided by 28 is equal to 4 necklaces. Are the shells enough for making necklaces for all his friends? Yes. He has 3 friends and he makes a necklace of 28 shells for each of them. That is, 28 multiplied by 3 is equal to 84. So, using 84 shells, he can make 3 necklaces. He has 112 shells. So now he is left with the shells enough to make one more necklace. Try these. A. Kannu made a necklace of 17 seashells. How many such necklaces can be made using 100 seashells? Here's the solution. Kannu has made a necklace of 17 shells. He has 100 shells. To find the number of necklaces he can make using 100 shells, we will follow this method. After making one necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 100 minus 17, that is equal to 83. After making the second necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 83 minus 17, that is equal to 66. After making the third necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 66 minus 17, that is equal to 49. After making the fourth necklace, the number of shells left is equal to 49 minus 17, that is equal to 32.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज यहाँ तक कि मैंने कंप्लीट किया डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और क्या कर रहा था ये सॉल्यूशन मतलब सब्ट्रैक्शन हैं, इतना सारा किया। इसके बाद मैं नेक्स्ट डे और भी मैंने डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवीजन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड एडिशन कराऊंगी। ओके बाय। आज यहाँ तक कि